Today, I'm going to introduce a very useful program management system. This is the main screen of the software. The purpose of the main screen, as you can see, is to manage customer classification through various folders. The main task here is the classification management of CNC programs. Why do we need classification management? It's to clearly categorize each program by customer. Each program handles different tasks. Each customer has different pricing. So even for the same item, the program may differ. This is why we need classification. On the right side, this space is for you to write per customer's name. On the left side, we have folders like you see on a regular computer. When you click into folders, it contains all the CNC programs for that customer. On the right side, you will see the drawing number of these programs. If the programs include a record of the drawing, there will be a quick preview on the right side. Similar to the quick preview function in Windows, it allows you to quickly view thumbnails of the drawings. To view a specific program, simply click on it. Once opened, you will see this screen, which is the editing screen. The previous screen was the management screen. Inside the program, the editing screen is divided into two sections. The left side is where you can write and modify the program. The right side shows the process of the program, detailing how the workpiece was originally created, including the tools used for each step. For example, what process was used first, what process was used second, etc. This allows you to link the program with notes, so even months or years later, you can understand how it was made without having to remember the details. At the bottom right, you can record drawings. This could be finished product drawings or general working drawing. On the left, when editing a program, different instructions are color-coded for easy identification. For example, tools are marked in black, so finding a specific tool is easy. Additionally, the system has error detection during program entry. For instance, if a decimal point is missing, the system will alert you, and you can make corrections. This is the editing part of the program. On the right side, there are records for tools and even fixtures. When delivering the final product to the customer, accurate dimensions are crucial. Here, you can record inspection details to ensure you meet the customer's requirements. This feature is very useful to avoid missing critical specifications in future projects. The right side also features a command set function. Common commands are pre-made into packages for convenience. For example, to create a new file or start a new program. The system provides the logics, and you just need to copy it and paste. For operations like rough turning with a cycle command, all related codes and descriptions are available, so you can simply copy and adjust coordinates to complete the program quickly. You can also add your own commands if the provided ones don't suit your needs. Currently, we offer sets for lathe and milling operations. Once you have written the program, you can perform a simulation to verify it. Our system offers a lathe simulation feature. After writing the program, you can simulate it by using G-code to ensure correctness without testing it on the machine. This saves time and ensures accuracy. The system also estimates the cycle time of the program, which is useful for quoting and pricing. The simulation shows different tools in different colors, making it clear how many tools are used and if the program runs correctly. We also provide a dimension measurement function. Based on the program and tools, you can measure the resulting workpiece dimensions directly in the simulation. If there are discrepancies, such as an angle being off, you can immediately return to the program to make corrections. This ensures precision and efficiency. The simulation tool is indispensable, allowing you to perfect your program on the computer before actual machining, saving time and ensuring quality. For more information, please find the details and free trial version download link at below.